Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can better customize your videos that you want to post on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or on Instagram. So I will show you how you can use Canva to better customize these videos so that people can have first-hand information about what your video is all about, or what you want to, the message you want to pass through, you want to pass through on the video. So we are going to make for YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos or Instagram. So we are going to make use of Canva. So all you have to do is to come to canva.com. so you can see there are different templates here, but I would prefer to use the TikTok video template here because both the TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Instagram, they have similar video ratio. So I'm going to make use of this. So you can just click on. So here we have it. This is the empty Canva right now. So you can make use of, you can decide to use their own templates, okay, but because I want to import a video, so I will leave this empty so I can be able to import my video and customize it the way I want. So I'll just go to uploads. If you have not imported the video yet, click on upload files to import the video, but I have it here already, so I will just drag and drop. Okay, sorry, I'm going to pause that. So this is it. You can then extend or adjust the video according to the size or how you want it to be. So I'm going to do this. Okay, all right. So I'm going to add an element so I can be able to put up some messages or some write-up on this video right now. So I will use elements, choose a shape. So in my case, I'm going to make use of this shape. I just drag and drop here. Then you extend this. Okay. So I can decide to change the color. I click here, see the color. So you can make use of any color you want. So I'm going to be sticking with black. All right. So this is it. So I want to duplicate the shape. So if you are using computer, you can make use of Control D. If it's a Windows phone, a Windows computer rather, you use Control D on your keyboard and it's going to duplicate the shape. All right. Okay, so I think this looks better than just leaving it blank like that. So this is okay. So I can now decide to add some messages or text on it. So you click on text. So you can make use of different font styles and designs here, but I'm making use of this. Alright, so I name it. The purpose of this video, I'm just going to make use of this. So the text is black, so I'm going to change the color. So you click here, text color, change it to white. You can decide to change to any color you want. So this is it. Okay, so I can also add something down. So let me use subheading. Okay, so I move this down here. So I change the text color. I'll still stick with white. Okay, so you can decide to add more text if you want to. So it's just your own creativity, anyhow you want it. So can add more text, or this will be fine. So you see, you give people fast first hand of what your video is all about. And also, if you want to pass any other information as well, you can also share your handles here. Okay, for example, let's make use of this little title. You can say follow me and decide to increase the size. Okay, can make it bold, can make it italic as well. Okay, so you're giving people quick information on how to follow you on other platform or any other information you want to pass. So this is how you can actually quickly customize your videos for you to be able to post them on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. I think this is a better way to do it, so that so you can send some relevant information through your videos to your viewers. So once you are done with this, you just go here, share. Okay, you click on download. All right, so because it's a video, not picture, so you have to leave it on MP4. All right, so you have to leave it on MP4. Then you click download, and your video will be on its way in few minutes. We are done with almost done with the download. Stay on it. Okay, here we are done with the download right now, so let's check it out.
That you can make use of to remove these watermarks from TikTok videos. Here you can go to TikTok. Okay, so you can pick.
Okay, so that is the site how you can customize your videos for YouTube Shorts, Twitter, and Instagram, so that people can be able to grasp quick information about your video, or you can pass any information you want about your video. So at this black background here, you can change it to any color you want to. I think this black is okay, but you can decide to choose any color you want. Put whatever text or information you want to pass through these spaces here, and your video will look more attractive and more informative. All right, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.